Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common problem that many Debian users might encounter when setting up RAID 1 arrays with mdadm. The issue arises when trying to enable mdadm email monitoring using msmtp while storing Gmail app passwords securely with tools like secrettool or GPG. It's a classic case of wanting to enhance security without compromising convenience. Let's dive into the details. In addressing the solution to this problem, it's essential to understand that any tool with passwordless access to data inherently poses a security risk. Both secrettool and GPG provide encryption protocols, but they fall short when used by root or mdadm. The main reason is that the decrypted data needs constant access for these processes to function effectively, compromising the encryption's purpose. While there are workarounds like running GPG agent as root, the inherently passwordless nature of these solutions could introduce vulnerabilities, especially in a RAID monitoring system. Solution aside, it's important to note that keeping credentials in plain text files accessible only to root offers a pragmatic approach to security in certain scenarios. Although it may seem counterintuitive, this practice is common for sensitive data like TLS certificates or SSH keys that are exclusive to specific services. By compartmentalizing access to these credentials, the risks of exposure are minimized, especially if you create dedicated accounts for specific tasks like email monitoring. Remember, it's all about managing risks effectively in the realm of cybersecurity. To sum up, navigating the complexities of security and convenience in systems administration often requires striking a delicate balance. While ideal solutions like secrettool or GPG encryption may not always seamlessly integrate with mdadm processes run as root, practical measures like storing credentials in restricted plain text files can offer a workable compromise. Remember, in the world of tech, adaptability and practicality go hand in hand. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Stay secure and keep exploring those tech solutions.